Welcome in the kitchen of Madame Labriski. Oh, everything is cooked with date puree instead of refined sugar. Oh my God, it's so good! Yes, and it's good for you and the taste and for your body and your mind. So I will show you how to make date puree. It's really simple. You need two ingredients. You need water and pipe date. Which one? The one on sale at your preferred grocery. So it's really easy. You will also find that all my recipes are really easy. For do the date puree, you need 3 cups of date. If you like to cook with a kitchen scale, it means 3 cups, it's 500 grams. So you have 500 grams of date. And 410 milliliters or 1 cup and 2/3 cup of water. You put it together and then what? You put it on the microwave for 4 minutes. And after, you take your hand blender, your old hand blender, and for approximately 3 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. And then you have a tasteful date puree. For your date puree, you are looking for the same texture of Greek yogurt. And why it's wonderful to cook with date puree is because, of course, it's sweet. It's a natural sweet. But it's also rich in fiber. So you will eat your cookie, you will eat your bites and your bar. And you will say, oh my God, it's so good. And oh my God, there's no refined sugar on it. It's only date puree. It's rich in fiber, so you will have a lot of energy for a long time. So if you are looking for easy, tasty, gluten-free, dairy-free recipe, go on madamelabriski.com or you can also find a lot of recipes on Fuel Your Day. So I hope you will enjoy and you will fuel your day with the date puree. Bye-bye! Date puree!